A very warm hello to all you beautiful souls from me, Preeti Bora, a tarot card reader and an emotional health advisor. Today I'm here to talk about manifestation. So, we all have heard that we can manifest and we can create the lives that we desire. However, we sometimes fail to manifest. Today, I shall throw some light on the reasons why and how you can deal with it. So, firstly, manifestation has to be an internal process. When we visualize, we close our eyes, we visualize things as an external activity. But we necessarily need to internalize our entire process of manifestation. How do we do that? We all have to first set an intention. Once our intention is set, we have to completely feel the achievement or our intentions being true to reality with all our senses. We have to be willing to enjoy the experiences and to live the experiences of our desire each day. We have to necessarily become fully aware of the fact that we can create what we desire. We have the power to manifest. And how will you do that? You should start seeing things happening in reality. You should start acting as if it's just there, it's already been done. I want to have a car, I want to own a BMW. So you want to own a BMW. You can't say, I will own a BMW, only then will I feel good. No, start believing in it, start feeling good. Don't worry about how, when, what, how will it happen. Nothing. You just need to completely believe and act as if it's already been done. Okay, whatever you want to manifest, trust that it is happening. Now often people ask me that how is this going to be possible? They come to me for a reading, they come for guided meditations, they enjoy it completely, they see a difference during the session, but when a few months pass by, they call me back saying that no, it's not working, it's not possible, I don't know why it's hassle for me. And that's the time I ask them, do you remember the feeling, the experience that you encountered when you had a session with me? And there it's lost. People forget to feel and experience, hold on to that experience of that moment of visualization when you are so very happy to see your favorite car, your favorite soulmate, your soulmate being there for you, you getting married to him or her, you having your dream house. You often forget about the feeling, you often forget about the experience, and what you focus on is, this is not possible. You doubt that you are a creator. It's often said, you have the power to create, you can manifest, you have the power to bring your dreams to reality. But how many of us really trust this? We focus on the process and live in doubt, live in fear, live with questions, umpteen number of questions, that how is it going to be possible? What we lack here is trust. It is very important that you trust your manifestation powers. You trust the fact that yes, you can create a life that you desire. You trust the fact that yes, you can make your dreams to reality. Trust your feelings, trust your inner experience that you have. When you are doing visualization techniques, when you are writing or following multiple manifestation techniques that we keep sharing on and off, what is very, very important is your trust and faith in your own self, in your own experiences, in your own feelings, in your own beliefs. And then you will start seeing that once the internal process has been set in order, manifestation comes to reality, your dreams will be realized, and everything will begin on the exterior. So I hope this is going to add some value. If yes, please show me some love by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. You can also share it with your loved ones so that you can make a difference in someone's life. You never know whose life you can touch with these simple messages, which are yet very, very powerful. So make the most out of this, understand it deeply. If you have any questions, feel free to write into me. I'll be very happy to respond. Happy manifestation.